Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Here we go. The other day, Olivia and I were at the store and we kept seeing these bead garlands, high priced for a little piece of string and some beads. So I thought, why don't we try and make our own? Because they looked pretty easy to make. So I got on Amazon, ordered a package of beads, which is a lot, and we can probably make a few garlands with them. And so I thought we would try it out and show you how to make them today. So what you're gonna need is some wood beads, and as I said before, I got these on Amazon. You can get them at your local craft store also. You need some twine. You can use the jute twine or just some white twine string. And if you want to add a pop of color, you sure can. So I took the beads and put about a tablespoon of the color that I wanted into the bottom of a glass and added about a tablespoon of water and then mixed that all up. I put the amount of beads that I wanted to color in there and just swirled it around and then took them out with a toothpick and let them dry. When they were dry, I made a tassel, which I'll show you how to make, and then I just started stringing them together. So we're gonna make one that is blue and this peachy color to go in Olivia's room. To make the tassel, you just wrap it around 4 of your fingers several times. And once you have it about as thick as you want it, you're just gonna cut it off. Put it on your pinky and then just wrap it around so it makes that hole, and pull it tight so that it holds it, and then we will tie it off. We'll tie this off in a solid knot, and then see how this is still together? You're gonna take your scissors and just cut it off, and that makes your tassel. So that'll be on the end of your string of beads. All right, now that we have our tassel made, we're gonna wanna make sure that we have our pattern set. So Olivia, what do you want the pattern to look like on the beads?
I'm thinking that I want it to be a blue.
Okay.
And then a peach.
Okay.
And then 2 solids smaller than the peach ones.
Okay.
Smaller.
Because these are 3 different types or 3 different sizes. So you have the large bead and then the medium and then the small. And then we have an extra small, but we're gonna just do 2 smalls in between. That'll look great. All right. So to prepare your string, you'll need a little bit of Scotch tape, and take the end of your string, and you're basically gonna make a needle with it so it doesn't unravel. So I'm gonna put it right on the end and just roll it on. We're gonna hook our tassel up to the end of our string. I'm gonna pull it long. This might be hard to see, but I have my tassel on one end and my 2 ends on the other that are all taped up and ready to string. As we were going along, we found that the 2 strings were hard to push through the beads. So I cut those ends off, ended up taping the 2 ends together so we could slide them both through at the same time. So much easier. I've never done this before, so you know, sometimes you learn as you go, and it's great to try new things. And when you see something, think, hey, maybe I can make that for myself. That's what we're doing here, so we'll see how the rest of it goes. Now that we're done, we're gonna cut off the Scotch tape that we taped to the ends and add another tassel to this end. Tie in the tassel on, trim at the ends, and there we go. That is super duper cute. What do you think, sis?
I love it.
You like it?
Yes.
I think it'll look cute in your room. Nice. So there we go. We didn't need to pay $22 for a string of beads. We can make them ourselves. So I encourage you to step out, be courageous, try your own project. Maybe you saw something at the store that you thought, hey, I think I could make that for cheaper. Get online, do some research, find some product for super cheap. I think I can make about 10 of these garland beads, and they will be so cute. So try your own. Very lovely.
Thank you.
And you gotta have way more energy.
Okay.
Remember that second audio clip where you were like, I'm gonna talk like this and be energetic?
I thought you said that wasn't real, and that was
No, it could be.
happened. The other day, Olivia and I were at the store, and we kept seeing these bead garlands. Seriously? Oh my word.
We're like 5 seconds in. Stop.
Hold it in, Hayden.
Okay, take 2.
Your farts in your burp.